Hi, my name is Muhammad Adam Dinish.
Hi, my name is Afi Zikri.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amir Faiz bin Azman.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Haris Imam Bimat Sobri.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adam Dinish bin Muhammad Zaimi from DPM 3A. So I want to discuss about topic hypothesis testing. Set to question number 1. So in the question, want to compare the average time spent studying between engineering student and business student. So in the question, we need to remove all information like as standard deviation, means, and sample. Okay. Step 1, we just write hash null and hash alternative. And the step 2, we just uh, write a Z formula. Why Z formula? Because n sample in the question higher than the value of the 30. So we need use Z formula, and after that we put all information to formula Z. Okay, and calculate. And step 3, we need to find a value critical and need to draw a graph. Okay, from a graph we have two sides, negative side and positive side. And the answer from step 2, we put the graph because we need to know whether locate at side negative or positive side. And we step number 4 hash null at significant hash null at fall critical region. And the last step 5, there is significant difference between the average student engineering between business engineering. That's all from me. Okay.
So now we want to discuss about the second question. So as we could see at the question, there is a certain keyword which is compare. So when we know compare, so we can recognize that this is the two-tailed test. So here the step 1, same like the question 1. Here we've put the h null and h1 first. So here the value. And then the step 2, we could just simply use the formula to find the t value. So after we find the t value, we could move to the step 3 to find the value that we want to put on both negative and positive side at the graph, since it is two-tailed test. So here the step 4, we said that we reject h null since the t value falls on the critical region. So lastly, step 5, we state that there is a significant difference which represents h1 since we reject h null. So that's all from me. Now we could move to the next question.
Okay, now we go to the third question. Based on this question, we can see that keyword is compare. So we use the two-tailed test, and we can continue to do it. For the step 1, we just set up h null and h1. For the step 2, we use the formula and just enter the number to find the z value. We use that formula because n value is more than 30. Okay. For the step 3, we want to find value in the z table to put on the positive and negative side in the graph. For the step 4, we accept h null because z value is false in non-critical region. And the last step, we put h null because we accept h null. That's all from me. Bye.
So there is a fourth question. So the fourth question, he will give a mean and standard deviation. This is a formula, mean and standard deviation, and this is a value. So we go to the step 1. Step 1, we put the h null
and H1. So step 2, we put formula and we want to know the T value. In step 3, we find the value to know to put on the negative side and positive side in graph. So the step 4, we reject H0 because the value fall in critical regions. And step 5, we put H1 value because we reject H0. So that's for me. Thank you.
Step lagi sila.
H.
My name Abi. Hey, kak.
Man, sekali. We see. Aduh, apa? We use the formula.